Hi everyone, this is David from MSI and I'm here with showing you our new GeForce RTX 2080 Ti Lightning Z.
Einmal noch.
Dieses Video wird euch von den kabellosen Kopfhörern von JBL präsentiert. Weitere Infos erhaltet ihr in der Infokarte.
Original Pro Sound. Als wärst du dabei. Kabellose Kopfhörer von JBL.
For those of you who are not familiar with MSI's Lightning series cards, these are our extreme overclocking cards and they are very special. We didn't have these ready to launch with the rest of the GeForce RTX 2080 Ti's, but we needed a little more time to tune it because we wanted to be the best card that we have possible. And I'm glad to share with you all, it's here, it's ready. So even though it's built for extreme overclocking, those are looking for like a great out-of-box experience, whether it be for a card when they're not extreme overclocking, for a daily card, it's great at that. You still get 3 fans, very thick cooler that takes up nearly 3 slots, with lots of heat pipes and all that. But even more than that, your out-of-box experience come forward with a great-looking card. We got a carbon fiber backplate, some more RGB lighting. You can see that on the live card right here, and we even have a OLED display here on the side, on the shroud. That right up here is showing with a custom animation, but it can be modified to show temperature readouts or even clock speeds with the MSI Mystic Light software. Included with every card is a support bracket, because if you're using this out of the box, this is a very heavy cooler, and we do have this included for people who want a little more support to prevent some sagging. But for those interested, especially in the extreme overclocking features, like all our past Lightnings, this does have dual BIOS. The default BIOS that comes out of the box has a factory overclock, which can be switched to the liquid nitrogen BIOS, which will allow people to hit even higher power limits and higher clock speeds. So out of the box, the factory overclock is 1770 megahertz on the default BIOS. That will switch back down to, when you switch to the liquid nitrogen BIOS, that will go to this reference speeds, but you get the elevated power limits, so you can dial in that custom overclock you want. On our rear I/O, we have 3 DisplayPort, 1 HDMI, and 1 USB Type-C. That USB Type-C is virtual link compliant for people running VR setups. Some other things is the circuit board components are protected with some resistance to protection from condensation or even like some freezing during liquid nitrogen overclocking sessions. It's just a very complete card for people looking like overclock on air or overclock with extreme exotic solutions. And that covers it for our MSI Lightning card with the GeForce RTX 2080 Ti chip in there. Thank you for watching.